Religion and culture are two of the most powerful forces shaping human civilization. They influence our values, traditions, and identities, weaving a tapestry that defines communities across the globe. But what exactly is the relationship between religion and culture? Are they separate entities, or do they overlap and intertwine? Let's explore how these two domains shape and influence each other. Religion is a system of beliefs, practices, and values that connects humanity to the divine or the sacred. It answers life's profound questions. Why are we here? What is our purpose? And what happens after we die? Whether through sacred texts, rituals, or moral codes, religion provides a framework for understanding existence and fostering spiritual growth. Culture, on the other hand, encompasses the shared customs, arts, social institutions, and achievements of a particular group. It reflects how people live, celebrate, and connect with one another. Culture evolves over time, influenced by geography, history, and interactions with other societies. Religion and culture are deeply interconnected. Religion often provides the moral and spiritual foundation of a culture, while culture shapes how religious beliefs are practiced. In India, Hinduism shapes cultural festivals like Diwali, while the local culture influences regional customs during the celebration. In Latin America, Catholicism blends with indigenous traditions, creating unique practices like Dia de los Muertos. In Africa, tribal rituals often incorporate both traditional beliefs and Christian or Islamic practices. The relationship between religion and culture can promote social cohesion and identity. Festivals and rituals bring people together, fostering unity and a sense of belonging. Religious teachings often inspire cultural art, music, and architecture. Values like compassion, honesty, and justice, taught by religions, are reflected in cultural ethics. However, this relationship isn't without challenges. When religion and culture clash, it can lead to misunderstandings, discrimination, or conflicts. Debates over gender roles or modernity often stem from cultural practices being justified through religious interpretations. Globalization sometimes causes tensions between traditional cultures and modern religious movements. To navigate these challenges, it's essential to foster dialogue and mutual respect. In today's interconnected world, religion and culture are evolving rapidly. Migration and globalization have created multicultural societies where diverse traditions coexist. This blending of traditions can enrich societies but requires understanding and acceptance to avoid cultural erosion or conflict. Religion and culture are two sides of the same coin, each shaping the way we see the world and interact with it. By appreciating their connection, we can build bridges of understanding and celebrate the diversity that defines humanity. Let us embrace the richness of religion and culture, not as barriers, but as pathways to a more inclusive and harmonious world. What are your thoughts on the relationship between religion and culture? Share your insights in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content.